This is Rob, one of your FSCJ Adult Education Academic Tutors, and in this video we are going to talk about the least common multiple. That is the smallest multiple or product that both or all numbers share. And remember, the product is the answer when numbers are multiplied together. We are going to find the least common multiple for 3 sets of numbers, so let's get going. All right, the first set we are going to examine are 5 and 8. So we're going to list out our multiples of 5. We're going to say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and 45. And hope that we have gone far enough. Then we are going to list out the multiples of 8. So we're going to say 8, 16, 24, 32, and 40. So we find that our lowest common multiple for 5 and 8 is 40. And you may note, we could have just multiplied 5 and 8 together. And well, that process guarantees we will find a multiple of both numbers. It does not guarantee we will find the lowest common multiple. So the next set of common multiples we are going to look for are 4 and 7. So we're going to start with multiples of 4. So we're going to say 4, 8, 12, 16, 24, 28, 32, and 36. Then we're going to list multiples of 7. So we're going to go with 7, 14, 21, 28, and we have found a common multiple. So we stop at 28 with our common multiple, our least common multiple of 4 and 28. So our last set is going to be 3, 4, and 6, and the first thing we're going to do is multiply them all together. So we're going to multiply 3 times 4 times 6. And we know 3 times 4 is 12. And 12 times 6 is 72. So that gives a common multiple of 72, meaning 3, 4, and 6 are all factors of 72. However, 72 is a bit large to work with, especially if we're dealing with fractions. So instead, we are going to use the list method to find the lowest common multiple, because I'm pretty sure 72 is not it. So we're going to begin with our multiples of 3. We're going to say 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and 18. And that should be high enough, so let's move on to 4. We'll say 4, 8, 12. Ooh, hey, we've got a common multiple. I wonder if it's going to stick. Now we're going to list multiples of 6, so we say 6, 12, 18. Now note here, 18 is shared by both 3 and 6, but all 3 numbers, 3, 4, and 12 share, or 3, 4, and 6 share 12. So our lowest common multiple is 12. This has been finding the least common multiple. Thank you, and keep learning.